Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Wouldn't you agree that a girl can never have enough bags in her life? Sling bags are something new for me, but I am loving this one from KL928. The best thing about it is it can be worn a few different ways. My favorite way to wear it is as a backpack. One of the things that really gets on my nerves about having a shoulder bag is when I lean forward to do something or pick something up, a lot of times it falls over and things fall out of the bag. But having this as a backpack really eliminates that problem, and I just find it so convenient. It also really looks cute slung over your shoulder or even in the front. It's a really quick transition to move the straps from being a backpack style over to one side so that you can sling it wherever you want. It's also deceptively large. It has a ton of different pockets, and I love that because I'm always losing my keys or my lip gloss, and so having a dedicated pocket for those things just makes it super easy to find whenever I'm looking for them. I got the color Leaden, which I would describe as being kind of a sandy gray color. I think it's just gorgeous. It goes with a lot of different outfits that I have, and I love the brown accents that are real leather, and it just brings this really nice classy look to the bag. It's made of a soft canvas-like material, and I always pay attention to whether seams are straight and the stitching looks secure, and this is really well made. Not only is this bag super cute, it's so functional, and it just is perfect for everyday use. I really love using it, and that's my point of view.